We've already discussed how to work with equations in slope-intercept form, but what if you get an equation that looks slightly different? Let's talk about one here that's in standard form. Standard form looks like ax plus by equals c, where x and y are your variables, a, b, and c are whole numbers. A perfect example of this would be 3x plus 2y equals 12. So, obviously a different setup than what we've worked with in the past. This does not give us the slope, and it does give us the y-intercept, but there's a little bit of work to be done to find that. So, first of all, what is all the information it gives us? It gives us an x-intercept, and it also gives us, like I just said, the y-intercept. So if we can find these 2 points, all we have to do is plot them on the graph, and we'll be ready to go. So the x-intercept is a point where x is a known number and y is 0. So this tells us exactly what to plug in for x and y so we can find out what the intercept is. So let's give this a shot. We're going to keep x as it is, call it x, and we're going to call y the number 0. So let's write the substitution. We now have 3x plus 2 times, we just said y would be 0, which is equal to 12. Okay, 2 times 0 is 0, so that leaves us with 3x equals 12. Remembering how to manipulate, we'll divide both sides by 3. X is equal to 4. So, take this point and plug it back in. We now know that x is 4, y is still 0. There's our x-intercept. First point is done and ready to go on. We'll put that on the graph in just a minute. The other side, the y-intercept. Again, the y-intercept is a point where x is 0 and y is the value you want to find. So we'll just repeat the exact same process we just did, except this time x will be 0. So 3 times 0 plus 2, we'll leave y as it is, because that's what we want, is equal to 12. Thing other side, 3 times 0 is 0. We now have 2y equals 12. Divide both sides by 2. Y is equal to 6. So we take 6, plug it back into our point. We get 0, comma 6. That's our y-intercept. That's ready to go. Now that we've identified the 2 points we need, all we have to do is plot them on our graph and connect the dots. So, let's start off with the x-intercept. We're going to plot the point 4, comma 0. So, from the origin we go over 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your point. And then we do the y-intercept. From the origin you go over 0. This time we go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put your point. 2 points make a line. We have 2 points, so connect your dots. Nice long line all the way through with arrows on it. We've now graphed the line from standard form.